right, this is Dr. Blumenthal again with Natural Transplants. We are here at the Bethesda, Maryland office, and Rez has joined us again. Rez is 10 days post-op from his procedure day, and he is here. We just removed his sutures. And Rez, tell us how you're feeling.
I feel pretty good. I mean,
yeah.
A pretty painless experience. You know, outside of the first couple nights, which weren't even that bad, I took a couple of Advil. That was it.
And you said you did not even take the Percocet. You just took the Advil.
I never took the Percocet. Good. By the third night, which was Sunday night, I was fine. So it's
awesome.
It's painless. It's a lot more painless than I thought it was going to be. It was overall a lot easier than I thought it was going to be.
Good. Excellent.
So no regrets. This was awesome. I'm really happy.
Fantastic.
I already have some growth coming in. So
very good. Very good. Well, I'm just going to zoom in here just so we can see. This is the graft site. We still have some scabs up there. Some have fallen off. Some are still attached and hanging on, but those will come off within the next week. And then I'm going to wheel around here and take a look at the suture site. We just took out the sutures, so there's still some inflammation and some scabs along there. But these will, when this heals, you're not going to be able to see it. It's nice and small all the way around. See here, incision there. So that looks really nice. Excellent. Again, Rez, we do appreciate you letting us say hi to you again and sort of follow you along this process. Any words of advice or anybody that's kind of on the fence or wondering about what to do?
Definitely do it. Do your research. I guarantee if you do your research and go visit other doctors, you guys are going to end up using natural hair transplants. I guarantee it. I did my research. I visited a bunch of other doctors, and you're not going to find anyone that's more meticulous. This has been a really good experience for me.
Awesome. Thank you.
An absolute amazing experience.
Thank you. I didn't pay you or even tell you to say that.
Oh, that's
Sounds
I
good.
genuinely feel that way.
Great.
I mean, you have to meet Dr. Blumenthal and Dr. Huebner, and trust me, once you meet them, you're not going to go anywhere else.
Awesome. Thanks, Rez. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see how you do over the next year, and we'll keep posted. All right.
I'm excited.
All right, man. Thanks again for doing this.
Yeah, you're welcome. No problem.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.